Hello and welcome to this video on understanding blockchain technology and its role in cryptocurrency. In this video, we will explore the basics of blockchain technology, its features, and its use in cryptocurrency. So, let's begin. Introduction to blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions and is resistant to modification. Each block in the chain contains a set of transactions and is linked to the previous block using cryptographic algorithms. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered, making it secure and tamper-proof. Blockchain was first introduced in 2008 by an anonymous person or group of people under the pseudonym of Satoshi Nakamoto in the context of the digital currency, Bitcoin. Since then, blockchain technology has evolved, and its potential use cases have expanded beyond digital currency. Features of blockchain technology. There are several features of blockchain technology that make it unique and valuable. Firstly, blockchain is decentralized, meaning it operates without a central authority. Transactions are validated and recorded by a network of users, eliminating the need for intermediaries such as banks. Secondly, blockchain is transparent, as every transaction is recorded on the public ledger and can be viewed by anyone. This transparency ensures accountability and trust. Thirdly, blockchain is secure and tamper-proof due to its cryptographic algorithms. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered, making it resistant to hacking and fraud. Lastly, blockchain is immutable, meaning once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be deleted or modified. This feature ensures the integrity of the blockchain. Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that uses blockchain technology to ensure security and transparency. Unlike traditional currency, which is issued and regulated by governments, cryptocurrencies operate without a central authority. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was introduced in 2009. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its own unique features and use cases. Cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining, where users use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems and verify transactions on the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive new coins. How blockchain technology works in cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology plays a crucial role in cryptocurrency by ensuring security, transparency, and decentralization. In a cryptocurrency transaction, the sender creates a digital signature using their private key, which is then verified by the network of users. Once the transaction is validated, it is added to a block on the blockchain, which is then linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks. Miners then compete to solve a complex mathematical problem, and the first miner to solve it gets to add the next block to the chain and receive a reward in cryptocurrency. This process ensures the security and integrity of the blockchain, as each block is linked to the previous block, and any attempt to modify a block will be rejected by the network. Use cases of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology has a wide range of potential use cases beyond cryptocurrency. One of the most promising use cases is in supply chain management, where blockchain can be used to track products from their source to the end consumer, ensuring transparency and accountability. Blockchain technology can also be used in voting systems, where it can ensure the integrity of the voting process and prevent fraud. Another potential use case is in identity management, where blockchain can be used to create a decentralized and secure identity verification system, eliminating the need for intermediaries such as banks and governments. Conclusion. In conclusion, blockchain technology is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform various industries. Its decentralized, transparent, secure, and immutable nature makes it an ideal technology for ensuring security. I think it's enough for this video. We will see you in next video. Till then, make sure to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.